Hello students! Today we're going to be talking about the main purpose of an article. The author's purpose. We're going to determine why an author writes a story. So our focus standard is up here. It's kind of hard to see, so I'll just read it for you. It says, identify the main purpose of a text, including what the author wants to answer, explain, or describe. So when we're reading, we want to determine what the author wants to explain, describe, or answer. So if it's a question, they're going to answer it, or they might want to explain something to us or describe a story or a setting to us. So when we are reading, we want to think about those different choices we have and why the author is writing what they are writing.
Have you ever wondered, what would it be like to go inside a storm? Maybe this text will tell us.
Hurricane Hunters by Alex Anderson.
Hurricane Hunters by Alex Anderson.
Before you read, do you know what a hunter is? If you do, tap the correct answer. If you don't, tap the question mark to learn more. A person who looks for or searches hard for something. A person who takes care of many animals on a farm.
A hunter. A hunter is a person who looks for or searches hard for something. Let's try that one.
That's right. Are you ready to read Hurricane Hunters? Let's go.
Some people are flying toward a large spinning storm. It's a hurricane. Heavy rain, thunder, and lightning surround the plane. Strong winds make the flight as bumpy as a roller coaster ride. Who are these people? Why are they flying in dangerous conditions? They are hurricane hunters. They want to learn about the hurricane, and they want to know where it's going. These hurricane hunters will fly to a dangerous storm.
Here we have a caption for our picture. So this tells us a little bit more about what's going on in this picture. These people are hurricane hunters, and they are getting ready to fly into a dangerous storm.
Why does the author describe a hurricane in the first paragraph? Complete the sentence. The author describes a hurricane to show that hurricane hunters have a job.
So they're flying toward a large spinning storm. It has heavy rain, thunder, and lightning, and strong winds. So that makes the job probably dangerous.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Hurricane hunters are experts on weather and flying. 2 pilots and a weather scientist lead the crew. They work together to guide the plane into the bad weather. The crew members need to do their jobs well to stay safe. A hurricane can destroy everything in its path.
Path. A path is where something goes as it moves.
These pilots fly carefully into a storm.
So here's our caption. We can see our pilots flying into the storm.
What is the focus of this page? Choose the heading that tells what this page is mostly about. Brave crew. Bad weather. Safe jobs.
A hurricane can destroy everything in its path. So it's probably not a safe job. It's focusing on the crew. The pilots are part of the crew. Let's see if it's this one. Yay.
That's correct.
Oops. No, we're not ready.
Read the underlined sentence. What does the word designed mean?
Okay.
Hurricane plane. The crew boards their sturdy plane when the storm develops. The plane is designed to fly into hurricanes. Life preservers and rubber rafts are on board too. That's because hurricanes form over warm oceans. If a mission becomes too dangerous, the crew might have to jump into the water. The crew talks inside a special plane made for flying into hurricanes.
Okay, now we're ready.
Read the underlined sentence. What does the word designed mean?
The plane is designed to fly into hurricanes.
Built very quickly. Made in a special way. Decorated with colors.
Okay, built very quickly. Doesn't say anything about how it was built quickly. Made in a special way. Designed to fly into hurricanes. Okay, probably. I don't see anything about colors, so let's try this one.
Yes, you figured it out.
Ooh.
Into the storm. The hurricane hunters approach the storm. They fly into it through one side. The plane shakes and bounces as they continue toward the eye.
Here's the eye. It's the center part.
The eye is the middle of the storm. That may seem like the worst place to be, but it's not. The eye is mostly clear and calm. The eye looks like a small clear circle in the middle of the hurricane.
So here's our picture of a hurricane. You can see it's taken from outer space because this is a picture of Earth, our planet. We have our hurricane moving here. The green parts are land and the blue parts are the ocean. So it's moving through the ocean. You can see the blue here in the middle of the eye.
What does the author explain about hurricane hunters on this page? Add the information to the chart.
Okay.
What the author tells about. A hurricane is a very dangerous storm.
Okay.
What the author tells about.
What else did we talk about in this page?
Hurricane hunters go all the way around the storm.
Didn't say anything about that.
Hurricane hunters stay in the worst part of the storm. Hurricane hunters fly into the center of the storm.
Maybe. Nope.
Not that. What are the hurricane hunters doing? Try again.
Gotta read closely. The hurricane hunters approach the storm. The plane shakes and bounces as they continue toward the eye. The eye is the middle of the storm. So they're flying into the eye, which is in the middle, center.
Yes, good thinking.
Collecting information. The crew reaches the eye of the hurricane. That's where they find out what the storm is doing. They use special tools to learn how much rain is falling. They learn how fast the wind is blowing. And they learn where the hurricane is going. They collect a lot of information. Then they fly out of the storm. A tool called a dropsonde will collect information about the hurricane.
What does the author want readers to understand on this page? Add the information to the chart. What the author tells about. Hurricane hunters use special tools for flying. Hurricane hunters gather facts about the storm. Hurricane hunters stay safe by working together.
Keeping people safe. The crew sends the information to hurricane experts on the ground. They warn people about the strength and path of the hurricane.
Warn. When you warn people, you tell them about danger to help them stay safe.
Some people may be in great danger, so they leave their homes and go to a shelter. Hurricane hunters work hard to keep people safe. Hurricanes bring heavy rain and powerful winds.
You can see the rain coming down, and look how these trees are being moved by the powerful winds.
What is the author's main purpose for writing this text? Add the main purpose to the chart.
Main purpose. The main purpose of a text is what the author wants to tell, describe, or explain.
So what does the author want to tell, describe, or explain in this story?
Author's main purpose: to explain a dangerous and important job, to describe a large and very strong storm, to tell about pilots and the planes they fly.
First, we talked about how a hurricane is a very dangerous storm, then how hurricane hunters fly into the center of the storm, and how hurricane hunters gather facts about the storm. Let's see, is it this one? Yeah.
Yes, you figured it out.
We're a genius.
Hurricane hunters have a wild ride, but they help us learn a lot about storms.
What will you read about next?